Sometimes there are days when everything goes not the way how you have planned. People don't do what you expect them to do. Things don't come together the way you expect them to come together. Maybe even you yourself is not the way you would like to be. And during these kind of days, it is very important to come back home to yourself. Come back home to your own inner world. And this is exactly what we are going to do today. My name is Yana, and you are listening to the Timeless Teachings podcast. And right now, I will guide you through a meditation that will help you find that unshakable inner center within yourself. Let's begin. Make yourself comfortable with your feet on the ground, your spine straight, and close your eyes. And let's start with taking 3 deep breaths together. Inhaling and exhaling. And one more time. Inhaling and exhaling. And once again, inhaling and exhaling. Bringing all your attention within yourself, right now, at this very moment. Whatever happened or did not happen today, it is already in the past. That moment is gone. Right now, at this moment, you are creating an entirely new reality. Focus on it. It can be as simple as focusing on your breath and just watching the air coming through your nostrils into your body and gently going out. Your chest expanding and contracting. Your belly expanding and contracting. And continue this deep, soft breathing. While we are going to go deeper into the inner world, your inner landscape of calmness, peace, mental stability, emotional purity, energetical alignment. Find it within yourself. Find it in a particular part of your body. Some people say it is their gut feeling. and it is located somewhere in the lower abdominal. Maybe it is you. Others say they feel it in their heart that connects them to everything that there is. Maybe it is your heart. And there are people who say they find peace in their mind, usually pointing between their eyebrows to what is called sometimes the third eye, that point between the eyebrows. Maybe it is true for you. Whatever it is, find that physical place within your body that helps you to connect deeper within yourself. And let's start by breathing into it, taking a deep inhalation and exhaling. And one more time, a deep inhalation and exhaling. And once again, deep inhalation and exhaling. That's it. That's it. You are right there. Feel it. Make it real. Connect to it with every cell of your body. And allow yourself to find the essence of this energy within you. What is the energy of peace? Deep, unshakable inner peace. Regardless of what is happening around you. Regardless of what people say or do or don't say and don't do the way you want them. Regardless of your current life circumstances. Regardless of what is happening in the world right now. Even regardless how you're emotionally feeling about something or someone. None of that matters. What matters is your inner peace. You being home within yourself. And this is exactly the place you are in right now. Go deeper. Expand it. Create this beautiful aura of equanimity and deep inner balance around you, where your mind truly becomes unshakable. Nothing influences you. Nothing changes you. Neither for the better, nor for the worse. You are at the golden middle. You are not good and you are not bad. You just are. And you can be both and neither at the same time. Allow yourself to surrender into this place. Right now, right here, on 1, on 2, on 3. That's it. Taking a deep exhalation and saying, relaxing your body. Stop fighting. Stop fighting with yourself. Stop fighting with other people. Stop fighting with life. There is so much more to this existence. Just look around with your inner vision, keeping your eyes closed. And see how much can you actually see with your eyes closed. How much can you feel? How much can you understand? This is your home. And you can always come back to that place anytime you want. Especially when you feel that you have had an unusual day. Let's let go of words like difficult or bad, or easy or good. Those are just words. And they create more separation in your mind. So let them go. A day is just a day. Events are just events. People are just people. Whether they love you or hate you doesn't make any difference for you. You are home within yourself. That's what counts. And let's just stay here for a moment, anchoring this energy within yourself. Deeply connecting, allowing it to touch every cell of your body. And then go beyond your body, creating a luminescent field of energy all around you. And expanding it even more, so that this light that you are illuminating right now touches all other people around you. And just say these words out loud or in the silence of your heart. I am light. I am light. I am light. And just take a deep breath. Accepting life in its totality. All the light and all the shadow that all of us are. And so now we say these words out loud or in the silence of your heart. I accept my shadows. I accept my shadows. I accept my shadows. And now bring this energy within you. But people call the light and the darkness because we are always both. And see how they come together in a beautiful dance between yin and yang, masculine and feminine, sky and earth. Everything is interconnected. Everything flows into each other, from each other. And just for a moment here, witness the beauty of the existence all around you. and you are in the middle of it. You are the center of your own universe. There is nothing but you. Everything around you is simply a reflection of what you are.